Dolphins are very intelligent animals that are well loved by humans. These aquatic mammals have been able to fascinate us in a variety of ways. They are curious, forming strong bonds within their own pod, and they have been known to help humans in a variety of circumstances, including rescues and with fishing. The slaughter of 20,000 dolphins occurs each year. Starting on September 1st and continuing throughout March of the next year, fishermen herd whole families of small cetaceans into shallow bays and mercilessly stab them and drown them to death. Project Dolphin is an active group which is very passionate, dedicated, and committed towards the safety of dolphins. Project Dolphin is focused on developing ways to raise awareness in people and prevent more harm towards dolphins and whales. Join our project. We can all make a difference. We all want our voices to be heard. So we can tell everyone we want the massacre to stop. With your help, we will continue to pressure people to end this cruelty and destructive slaughter of dolphins. Project Dolphin.